Hey guys, back with another video for my addicted blogging channel. So in this video I will be discussing about the Amazfit GTS 3 smartwatch. So the Amazfit GTS 3 has been there for a while, and in this video I will be discussing the top Apple Watch faces you can install for the Amazfit GTS 3. Finally, you can install the third-party watch faces for the Amazfit GTS 3, and there are really some good looking Apple Watch faces you can install for this Amazfit GTS 3. So as always, this video will be a sick video guys, and if you are a tech enthusiast, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. So first of all, to install the third party app watch faces, you need to install another app, which is the MS Faces app, and this is the app which you need to install. And after you install it, you need to follow some basic instructions. So first of all, to install the watch faces, you need to come to the MS Faces app, and in the settings option you need to just connect the MS Faces app by going to the MAC address, and you need to give the MAC address of your watch here first. So first of all, to get the MAC address, you need to come to settings of this watch, and once you are in the settings in the system, you will get the option of about, and here you will get the MAC address which will be written in the Bluetooth option. So this is the MAC address of the Amazfit GTS 3. You need to put the MAC address here and click on OK. And once you have done that, your watch will be connected and ready to install the third-party Apple Watch faces for Amazfit GTS 3. First watch face you can install for the Amazfit GTS 3 is the Nike Analog Big Numbers AW watch face, which is an Apple watch face, and this is a Nike edition watch face. There are numerous colors also and variants for this watch face. You just need to click on download option and you will get all the variants for this watch face which you can install. I have installed the black variant already. Let's try the green variant here. So to install it, you just need to click on download, and once you click on download, you need to connect the watch first. So after you connect, you just need to click on set on the watch. And as this is Amazfit GTS 3, see the installation speed here. It installs blazing fast, and you can see that the green variant of the Apple watch face is there, which is a Nike edition watch face. And this watch face also comes with an always on display. So let's see the always on display for the watch face also. The always on display which comes with this watch face is the basic one, and it is a basic watch face with the dial and the Nike edition logo and style in the watch face itself. So definitely you can install this. Will be in the name Nike Analog Green watch face for Amazfit GTS 3. Next watch face on the list which you can install, and it is also an Apple watch face, is the Infograph watch face. You can see this watch face looks great on the Amazfit GTS 3. It displays you the weather information, the step count, the battery information, and also the calories burnt here. Also it displays you the date, the alarm, and the heart rate. And here is a circular design which displays you the total step count and the calories. Really good looking watch face for the Amazfit GTS 3, and you can download this from the Amazfit app itself. Its name is Infograph Black, and it also comes with an always on display. So the always on display is a basic one, but definitely it looks great, and also the second hand is moving on the always on display, which really looks great. Just imagine how great it will look on the watch, as it is a always on display and all the time the second hand will move. So really good looking watch face you can install for Amazfit GTS 3. Third watch face, which is an Apple watch face you can install for the Amazfit GTS 3, is the typography watch face. So this watch face is a basic watch face, but this looks really amazing because of the AMOLED display and also the numbers and letters used in this watch face. Because it is on the black AMOLED screen, it really pops out, and you can see it displays you the time, and also the always on display looks really good. And it doesn't display any information, but really looks good on the Amazfit GTS 3. So definitely you can install this by going to your Amazfit app. This is the typography black watch face. Also this watch face has a lot of variants, so you can install different colors for this watch face on your Amazfit GTS 3. So the next watch face you can install for the Amazfit GTS 3 is another Apple watch face, and you can see how good this watch face looks. Displays a lot of information like the step count, the heart rate, the weather information, and also the battery information. And you can see the second hand just moves so smoothly in this watch face. Also it shows you the time in digital format, date, day and the weather information, and in the circular ring fashion again it will display you the step count and every little information here. So you can install this watch face for your Amazfit GTS 3. Comes with the name of Apple Watch Humanoid Smooth Second. So really looks good on this watch, and definitely you can install this for the Amazfit GTS 3 from the Amazfit app itself. So this is another Apple Watch face you can install for your Amazfit GTS 3, which looks really great. This is a Apple Watch Series 7 watch face, and it also comes with an always on display. This watch face comes in the Amazfit app with the name of Circuit Black AW, and really looks good on the watch. It displays you the information like the date, the month and also the weather information here. And because of the black AMOLED display, the watch face pops up, and it also comes with this little always on display here. So next on the list is a beautiful watch face for the Amazfit GTS 3. This watch face comes in this blue color, and this is an Apple Watch face also. You have seen this watch face on Apple Watches, and this watch face displays you the date, day, and also it displays you the battery percentage, which is 75% right now, and really looks good on this Amazfit GTS 3 smartwatch. You can download this from the Amazfit app itself. Comes with the name of Cal Blue battery 224391. It also has an always on display, which displays a little more information in there. It displays you the time, the date and also the battery percentage, and this is the month also it is displaying. So really great looking watch face, Apple Watch face you can install for the Amazfit GTS 3 if you want to install. So this is the Apple Watch face, which is the artist Apple Watch face for Amazfit GTS 3, and you can see it looks really great on this AMOLED display, which is a really good display. And just look at the always on display which comes with this watch face. The always on display is an outline of the total watch face, which is a man, and it shows the time here. Really looks good on the Amazfit GTS 3, and you can download this from the Amazfit app itself. Comes with the name of Artist Man. This watch face looks really good, and I will recommend you to download for this Amazfit GTS 3 smartwatch. Next is the very popular numerals duo watch face for the Amazfit GTS 3, and you can see it looks so good on this AMOLED display. Because of the black color in the AMOLED display, the watch face really pops out, and it shows you the time in this big digital format, which is the Apple authentic watch face, the numerals duo. And you can see it also comes with a very beautiful always on display. So the always on display is this one, and the always on display also shows the color of this watch face in here. Looks really great and will look really good on the Amazfit GTS 3 itself. So you can install this from the Amazfit app. Comes with the name of numerals duo navy blue, and definitely it will look good on your Amazfit GTS 3 smartwatch. Last but not the least is another Nike edition Apple Watch face. You can see the Nike logo and the time, and the time is in this violet color, which looks absolutely great on this Amazfit GTS 3 smartwatch. So this watch face doesn't come with any of the always on display, but really looks good on the Amazfit GTS 3. You can download this from the Amazfit app. Comes with the name of Nike Bounce Purple Black. Really looks good, and will definitely recommend you to download for the Amazfit GTS 3 smartwatch. These are the Apple Watch faces for now, which I am showing you. You can install for the Amazfit GTS 3, and really they look good on this watch. Definitely you need to follow the steps which I have already shown you on the installation of this watch faces via the Amazfit app, and definitely they will look all good on this Amazfit GTS 3 smartwatch. So that's it for now. I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. Thank you guys. Have a great day. Thank you.